Lazarus proposes marriage to Zoleka. Hlatsi is not happy that Zoleka moved on too quickly after the divorce. While he also got married too quickly, he even questions Tumeka, why didn't you tell me that Zoleka is pregnant? Tumeka is worried to hear that Zoleka is 4 months pregnant, but gets relieved when she tells her that no, Lazarus is the father of the baby. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So after Kawe told them that Zoleka is pregnant, Uthandeka was like, so, but Zoleka just got divorced from Hlat. Does that mean Hlatsi is the father? Auntie, no, Lazarus, my boss, is the father of the baby. Tumeka was like, Lazarus, but yes, and again, my boss. Hlat, you can just see we are goisha, we are off. He says how. So Zoleka could not even wait. We just got divorced. She just couldn't wait to move on with her life. Athi uqhumeka how? Must we also got married just after you signed the divorce papers? So kahle, what do you mean? And then Uhlati is not happy at all. He even goes further goes to say ukuthi why didn't you tell me that Zoleka is pregnant? How can you hide something so big to me? Is that what you meant when you said Zoleka is having a new beginning and all that? How? It wasn't my place to tell you. Also, why does it bother you that you moved on too quickly after the divorce? Or are you just worried that you are not the father of the baby? No, I'm happy with you. I made a commitment to you and our marriage, and that's not going to change. And then Tumeka goes to see Zoleka and learns that Zoleka is 4 months pregnant. Zoleka says the father of the baby is Lazarus, because Tumeka was now worried with how 4 months. Muswiko was still married to Uhlati at the time. Yes, I was still married to Uhlati, but we were not even sleeping together. So Lazarus came at a time when I was vulnerable, and that's when it happened. And then hey, judge, sis, please, judge him. And then they laugh about it. Tumeka asks how. So manje umshado unini, when do I get to meet Usbali omusha, and when is the wedding? There won't be a wedding, sisi. Like Zoleka doesn't want to get married anymore. Okay, I'm so happy for you. I'm gonna buy an aunt again. I'm so happy for you. She's happy because now Zoleka is gonna have a person. Now she won't be competing no Zoleka for Uhlati. Kanti Zoleka is not aware ukuthi Lazarus Utatak is already planning if you try going on about they need to go pay damages for Zoleka, do things the right way, and ask Lazarus, so what are your intentions with it? Are you going to marry Zoleka? This Utatak is giving him ideas. Later on, means Lazarus went and bought a ring. Later on, Lazarus goes down on one knee, proposes to Zoleka, saying, this is not about the baby. It's just that you're the woman that I want. You're the only woman that I want in my life. And after meeting you, I realized I've met my spirit person. Like, shows they connect like in so many levels, business-wise, and also the chemistry of work. And then he says, this has nothing to do with the baby. It's just because that he wants to spend his life, the rest of his life with Zoleka. Goes down on one knee and asks Zoleka to marry him. Zoleka just froze. She just stood there, could not say anything. And then they have their podcast. So Uboniswa comes over to prepare them for the podcast. You guys need to slow down on the PDA because media or public is going to roast you. So you need to slow down on that and just focus on doing the podcast. And also at the office, everyone is already talking on my way to no. They're already talking good how. Have you guys noticed how Lazarus and Zoleka, they're so close these days? They're all touchy. It seems like they're in a relationship. It's like they're together. They asked Utawe to confirm for them they're indeed together. Uqhawe is like, nope, I'm not confirming anything. Akangeni nje uqhawe, let's gossip yasemsebenzini slide. Ulinda's like, yazini, they make a perfect match, but this just gets me worried with Shorty. This means for Lazarus amponi, right? How you think we are in Lazarus league? And then Kawa steps out. Mawetu follows her, saying that Kawa, I feel like we deserve a fighting chance. We need to fight for this Tandolo to all we are as colleagues, and if you keep on doing this, I am going to report you to HR for harassment. And then uZoleka no Lazarus, they prep for their meeting or for their podcast, and then they go for the podcast. And then the interviewer asked them, so what happened no Sydney? We hear rumors that there was a corruption going on. And they deny the allegations, saying that there was no corruption. We just decided to see out with the old, in with the new, just want to bring in new talent and all that. And then they say that they just want to bring in a new vision and all that. Lazarus is watching this with his wife at home, and she's like, this is like the audacity of these people, because he feels that they embarrassed him by saying that. But what's worse than saying he was corrupted? They just like, I feel like they sort of like did him a favor to say that they just want fresh blood and not saying that he did something wrong. And then they also question their relationship, saying that they've been spotted in fancy restaurants. What's happening? Are they dating? But as uZoleka, we're here to talk about Khusela, not our personal lives. And then Sydney is all worked up, saying they humiliated me. They're going to get what's coming to them. What are you planning, Sid Wazondo? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.